over a period of time, with what the teachers have told me, that more and more students are using it. And whenever we give homework in the Prodigy, it has been observed that they do it very nicely, and they are very happy to do that. So I feel there has been a positive impact on the children. So when students are happy, learning takes place.
Within 2 months, I saw wonderful results because parents started telling me that the students are involved in Prodigy Math app for a longer duration. The students were able to solve more than 50 problems a day, which was fantastic achievement. Ultimately, we all want the children to learn. So that was happening through this app.
And I have seen even the teachers practicing, teachers doing those things. And they seem to be, very, very happy and enthusiastic. Oh my God, so many possibilities. So I feel there has been a positive impact even on the teachers.
And even for the teachers, it was very easy to monitor and assign the assignments. And they were able to see in which concept the child is lacking, and that is how scaffolding was done during the class hours.
It really helps teacher to work efficiently, and also student can learn math effectively.
My children just love playing the games over the weekend in Prodigy. Concepts that have been taught over the week from Monday to Friday, though it is online, children are enjoying all the sessions, and based on those topics, the Prodigy games, the topic has been assigned every week so that children don't feel difficult. They are very much interested and they don't feel the concept is not familiar for them.
Prodigy has been very useful and helpful for my students. It always motivates and excites the student to learn math with fun. With Prodigy, the students of current generation learn math more effectively.
We have been using Prodigy from last year, and we could find a tremendous change in the teachers' skills as well as the students' skills, both of them. The teachers have been effectively able to deliver the concepts as well as they are able to check how far the child has understood.
Prodigy game is safe and fun way of learning math. It makes students engaged and motivated towards learning or developing mathematics skills. It helps teachers like me, to plan math assignments, different assignments, which is actually aligned with the classroom curriculum.
Prodigy experience has been very good. I love to assign the questions based on the topics taught over the week to the students, because there is a two-way response. I teach, they practice the concepts which is being taught in the classroom from the textbook, as well as some more questions they are able to explore from the Prodigy game.
Prodigy has helped at every stage in engaging kids by providing more activities to kids in a shorter time and make them perfect. As a teacher, we can identify where an individual student is excelling or struggling so that we can give assignment based on it.
What is happening in Prodigy is the teacher gives an assignment for the child. The assignment child and analysis report, skill analysis report is coming, where we are able to see where the child is good and where the child needs little more practice, and where the teacher has to focus. The children are really finding it very interesting to work it, and every day 10 minutes they have play every day. So they are getting points here, which is giving as a motivation for the child for improving his points score. They are comparing with each other, the children. My score is this much, I am in this level, and that all. So what is happening is the child who is at the back also, he is getting inspired by this, and they are also able to do it.
So I am really happy, and I would like to continue with this. association with Prodigy and see to it that how we can make best use of it. And the way you people also go on coordinating, and the way you people, now and then you ask us and take the feedback, actually that is amazing. That is amazing. I really appreciate that part, the way you take feedback and the way you are, see that how your product becomes better and better. That is what is very, very important. And you implement that also by taking a feedback.
I must say that it is one of the enriching app for the math learners, which will enhance their cognitive abilities.